Hi everyone at Maple Ridge. It's Mrs. Yutzi the nurse, and today we're just going to talk a little bit about the coronavirus. In our last video, if you watched it, we talked about hand washing and about different types of germs, and the coronavirus is one type of germ. So we are going to learn a little bit about that today. Okay, the coronavirus, it's also called COVID-19, it has two different names that you might hear, but it's the same virus. You may have heard the word coronavirus from grown-ups or from people talking about it on the television. The coronavirus is a new germ, and since it is new, scientists and doctors are still learning about it. The coronavirus germ has made many people sick. But remember, since it's a germ, it's very tiny, which means you can't see it. It's too tiny to see. And how does the coronavirus spread? It spreads much like many other viruses. It's very contagious. It can live in our mouths and noses. When somebody who has the coronavirus sneezes or coughs, it can escape. And if another person is standing too close, the germs can get into that person's nose and mouth and make them sick as well. Our hands can also spread the coronavirus. Sometimes the germs and viruses can be on objects like doorknobs or shopping carts. And when we touch those objects, the germs can transfer to our hands. And then the germs can enter our body if we accidentally touch our face while there are germs on our hands. What does the coronavirus do? If it gets into your body, it can make you feel very sick. Some people who get the coronavirus germ can become very sick with a fever and a cough and feeling like it's hard to breathe. But most people who get the coronavirus will be okay and not feel very sick at all. Their bodies will fight off the germs until they are gone, and then they will feel better again. If you do feel sick, it doesn't mean that you have the coronavirus. It could be a cold or the flu or another type of virus because there are so many different types of viruses that can make us feel sick. And how can we stop the spread of the coronavirus? There's a few things we can do. The most important thing is hand washing, which we learned about in the other video if you watched it. It's important to wash our hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If you're a place where you don't have water or a sink, you can use hand sanitizer. And when should we be washing our hands? After we sneeze or blow our nose, before eating, after we use the restroom, after playing outside, and after touching garbage. If we throw something away, we should wash our hands afterwards. Social distancing is another way we can help stop the coronavirus. We can try to stay home. Staying at home can help us feel safe and it can keep us from spreading the germs. If you feel sick, try to stay home until you feel better again. If you feel healthy, you should still try to stay home to help stop the germs from spreading through the community. This means that we shouldn't go out to birthday parties or to visit our friends to play together. We should try to stay away from other people, at least 6 feet away. That way the virus has a less chance of spreading from person to person. Also, masks can help stop the spread of germs. We can try to remember to always cover our coughs and our sneezes. So we try to cough and sneeze into our elbow. You might be able to wear a mask if you need to leave your house or if you need to be around other people, like at the grocery store. You shouldn't be worried if you see people wearing masks. Masks help us to keep our germs to ourselves. Masks can help us cover our coughs and sneezes so that our germs don't escape and spread to others. And we can all try to do our best to help stop the spread of the coronavirus. By working hard, we can get the coronavirus to slowly disappear. And once the germs have gone away, we can start to visit with our friends again. All right, little eagles, I hope that you learned a few things about the coronavirus and just some reminders about how to prevent viruses and germs from spreading. Again, the most important one is hand washing. Make sure you're always washing your hands at home. And I hope everybody stays healthy, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.